Matang manume lo lipung jane re matyo ha mang jabral chaitam tahing tarik halang pai hlo kanang jang kan lang apre ta tiki mis mi news youtube channel menu gon ta da wa ta jane tahing hiyo jum ta wa ewe government of india bharat sarkar cabinet secretariat mantri mandal sachivalaya rashtrapati bhavan new delhi e menu go nama e ning sokare pom ke go president draupadi murmu cho blehing tarik kenyang hingo ning prime minister narendra modi pase tha prongja welebo go me we lang king we lang mum pase tha prongja ma ta me sokare bana kanam we kon ta ye narendra modi cho prime minister ke go sokare pom ke go kla haza ke go halaga praksha laga cha ma chai bo be bya go jawaharlal nehru go si ja go ta la pe bo halaga praksha laga we ta jawaharlal nehru mo uli la go we mo baga sang cho we matho da la hane ya la go ta pe go sha mo ye kala prime minister cho hane na me matho da la kanang le mang ne la we go ta ye la de ga ta ning narendra modi e mo prime minister ta baga sang sha la go e la de ga ma jawaharlal nehru 1952 go si go 1962 da pe ne la kanang le mama which we will go narendra modi cha 2014 go si go 2024 da pe kanang lu jang halaga ka pre go si go lu jang kai na na pe da pe je narendra modi cha kanang le ma da je cha so ka re iya la la ga record sha ya la ren da wa ke go cha ye narendra modi government cho cha BJP cho cha majority wa chang nam kanam cho ta ru ga go e wa sokare bare ma wa ke go BJP party wa le go TDP party wa le go JDU party wa la ga ta India National Democratic Alliance la go ba hore ma yo he election zampa go de ne ru ga go de ne cho cha lang go ru ga ba ga ma wa ke go ta li ta sha za kla cho ta za si ho ne po so cho ta za jo ma ta li list of council of ministers with portfolios wa ke go e lima Sri Narendra Modi cha prime minister cho cha charge ke prime minister sha bia will go ministry of personal sabia personal cha cho wale public grievances and pension department of atomic energies pension welang mo cha cho wale department of atomic energy no che le pong to le khare khanya chu ge cha wa te ya cha yi bia we post ke go wale go department of space we atam tu boya to spacecraft ba chwe lang ke cha we chwe cha si ho la ma we le go all important policy issue and all other portfolios not allocated to any minister chwe ka de ge ali ing ta chondre ama me ka sa andre chwe lang chwe cha lam kon ta cho la ren za we go cabinet ministers can go lima Sri Rajnath Singh jo home minister minister of defense wa cha arming defense can go arming hoya available go khare khala ning arming lam ko ke cha hoya bia defense me ha yom we cha lit pe ya ma we go Sri Amit Shah jo Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Cooperation jo Ministry of Home Minister cha hayun mo li pe ma jo ge hang ja na re we go Nitin Jairam Gadkari laga we Ministry of Road Transport and Highway jo we Nitin Gadkari jo transport highway ajam dak lamba we le go ran da man ga re ba we le go atam ga re we la da ko jo alim dak lam ga de ba jo ट्रांसपोर्ट के चा मिनिस्टर वे हयुं आप पे चा वे हमला आना रे मा वेले बगो श्री जगत प्रकाश नड्डा उचवे में जेपी नड्डा जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर जो तमा अंग दा को अंग वेले बगो फैमिली वेलफेयर वे के चांगना मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ केमिकल एंड फर्टिलाइजर ama kajaga ra ke ngo ama khlaim ke la tang che phatla ja la ga che we lang ke ngo cha minister ma wo Shivraj Singh Chauhan jo cha ministry of agriculture we kajaga ra ke ngo we farmer welfare ning ama kajaga me che we lang ka de hoya ga thu che we lang ke hoya bi ministry of rural development na ye ke ga de development ji उचवे ये चा शिवराज चौहान है मा व निर्मला सीतारामन जो वे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस वे हयूं हिम व पुंग के मिनिस्टर मा निर्मला सीतारामन जो वे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स वे चार के मा वे देखो डॉक्टर सुब्रमण्यम जयशंकर जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स वेलो जो जयशंकर जो मिंग मामे तो मारोगा दा चेगा काबे हरे के जो चा मा मिंग कंट्री तो मारोगा जो के एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स के चा वेले को मनोहरलाल जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पावर अर्बन अफेयर्स मा टाउन के kadeba wele bogo ma power let kengom hydropower lang kadeba welang me go cha hwen bia ma wego SD Kumaraswamy jo Ministry of Heavy Industries and Ministry of Steel cha Kumaraswamy jo Minister Industry ke cha ma wego Piyush Goyal jo Ministry of Commerce and Industry which are India. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan जो Ministry of Education वे ताकोदा जो जम के चा डिपार्टमेंट चा India. Jitan Ram Majhi जो Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises which were industry जो लंग जो चा जितेराम माझी जो है बिया वे लोग राजीव रंजन सिंह आलिया लालन सिंह जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पंचायत राज एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फिशरीज एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एंड डेयरी फार्मिंग जो है चाहे बिया वे लोग श्री सबनंदा सनवाल जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ports, shippings and waterways जो है Birendra Kumar जो है Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment जो है चाहे दिया श्री किजुरप्पु रामोहन नायडू जो है Ministry of Civil Aviation वह तम करे के हो चाहे दिया प्रहलाद जोशी जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कंज्यूमर अफेयर्स फूड एंड पब्लिक कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है चाहे भी वेले बगो जल ओराम जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स निंग ट्राइबल्स अफेयर्स का जोयल ओराम जो है भी निंग ट्राइबल में दाहे जो है निंग है भी अच्छा है वेले बगो गिरिराज सिंह वह मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल साबिया शाहला वेले को असैनी वैसाव नाउ जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवेज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग वेले को एलिमेंट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वके चामा वेले को ज्योतिरादित्य एम सचंदिया जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ Communication and Ministry of Power North East Region के चाहे भी आमा वेले बगो Bhupender Yadav Chava, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change के साबिया वैसे शाहला वैसे वो Gajendra Singh Shekhawat Chava, Ministry of Agriculture and Ministry of Tourism वके चामा वैसे वो Anupama Devi Chava, Ministry of Women and Child Development Chava हमें को Kiren Rijiju, Minister of Panchayat Affairs, Parliamentary Affairs and Ministry of Minority Affairs. Iwa Kiren Rijiju turning ni anusake MP chawa Kiren Rijiju chawa Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Ministry of Minority Affairs. Wajo ke chawa bia. Wala bago Hardeep Singh Puri chawa Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gases. Wala bago Mansukh Mandaviya chawa Ministry of Labor and Employment chawa chawa bia. Wala bago Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports chawa bia. Wala bago G. Kishan Reddy chawa Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Mines chawa bia. Wala bago Chirag Paswan chawa Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Wala bago C.R. Patel chawa Ministry of Jal Shakti chawa bia. Wala Minister of States with independent charges, which were Minister of States were Lima were Rao Inderjit Singh chawa Ministry of State independent charge of the Ministry of Statistic Program Implementation, State independent charge of Ministry of Planning, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Culture Chama. Jitendra Singh Ministry of independent charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology, or the Ministry of Independent, or the Ministry of Art and Science, with the Ministry of the Prime Minister Office, Minister of State in the Personal Public Grievances and Pension, which are the Ministry of State in the Department of Atomic Energy and Ministry of State in the Department of Space, where Jitendra Singh Chachoma, Chadung Changoya. Wherever Sri Arjun Ram Magwala, Ministry of State Department in charge of Ministry of Law and Justice, whether Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, which was Chachangoma. Whether Sri Jadab Pratap Rao, Ganpat Rao, Ministry of State independent charge of the Ministry of Ayush, where Tamada ko Bangda Mala ko Ministry of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Changama. Whether Jain Chaudhary, Ministry of State independent charge the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Education, Whether Ministers of State, Jiten Prasad, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Environment and Information Technology, Sirapat Yasot Naik, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Power and New Renewable Energy, Pankaj Chaudhary, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Finance, Krishna Pal, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Cooperation, Ramdas Athawale, Minister of State, Ministry Social and Justice Empowerment, Ramnath Thakur, Minister of State in the Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Nityanand Rai, Ministry of State in the Home Affairs ke Changhoma. Anupriya Patel, Ministry of State in the Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. V. Somana, Ministry of State in the Jai Shakti and Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways. Okay, Dr. Chandra Shekhar Parmasani, Ministry of State Rural Development, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communication. Okay, Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries and Animal Husbandry Dairy, State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Sabha Karadhaji, Ministry of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Labor and Empowerment, Kirtivardhan Singh, Minister of State Environment, Forest and Climate Change, B.L. Barma, the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Contribution Distribution, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Sri Santanu Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterway, Suresh Gopi, Minister of State, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gases, L.K. Monaghan, State in the Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ajay Tamta, Road Transport and Highways, Bandi Sanjay Kumar, Home Affairs, Kamlesh Paswan, Rural Development, Bhagiraj Chaudhary, Ministry of State Agriculture and Farmer Affairs, Satish Chandra Dobe, Coal Mine and Mineral Ministry of Mines, Sanjay Seth, State in the Ministry of Defense, Ravneet Singh, Ministry of Food and Processing Industry, Durga Das UK, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Raksha Nikhil Khatse, Minister of Youth Affairs, Saskanta Majumdar, Education and Development of Northeast Region, Savitri Thakur, Minister of Ministry of Women and Civil Child Development, Takhan Sahu, Ministry of Housing Urban Affairs, Raj Bhushan Chaudhary, Anup Raju Srivastava Varma, Harsh Madhudra, Nimobin Janta Bhoinian, Meritor Mahol, George Korean, Pavitra Bhagirta, the Liga Ministry Chalang, Pang Holiday, Shaka Degam, Chaka, Ning India government get Takon to Tama, a parliament to live the way, turning to Ning State, Keneva, Ning Shemaka, they have ministry shaving a sam, Tahing the Hawa, Liga on Dangma, Konimotrakan.